Morning, guys. Hey guys, so I'm 81 kilos, which is the lowest yet. Things are going pretty well. Yesterday I did my cardio just as usual. There are no changes to anything, still same calories, same everything, right? Today's a pull day, the last workout day of week 5. So I'm quite excited to be able to get over with week 5 and then start on week 6. I just checked my physique myself. Of course I'm actually filming those, but just I'm not sharing everything with you. I'm literally at where I want to be in terms of my physique, but as I said, I'm still gonna be, because you know it's a 6-week challenge, so I'm still gonna continue the same way next week as well. Alright, we can go a little bit like lower than I initially planned, basically, in terms of body fat, which is completely fine. I mean, gaining body fat is like literally the easiest thing, so I'm not worried about that. Alright, so I'm still gonna continue next week, and tomorrow I will give you a physique update as usual, and probably I will take you out somewhere, not necessarily for too long, but you know, just to show you some things, right? So, see you guys at the gym right after my breakfast and all.
Alright, I'm at the gym now. Pull day. So we are gonna start with real delts, but instead of doing the standing lateral raises, I don't feel like doing them, to be honest. So I'll just do like rear delt flies, alright? I've done only 2 sets of chin-ups. My right arm, shoulder actually doesn't feel right. Like while I was doing the exercise, it was kind of like something inside was popping, like that kind of feeling. So I'm not going to continue with that. I'm going to switch to the machine ones, alright? Alright, done. The last day, last workout day of week 5 is over. So I'm gonna see you guys at recap, right?
Hey guys, so another recap. Today was pull day, so everything went quite well. I had this like kind of like pain thing in my while I was doing like chin-ups, so I decided to stop doing them on second set, and instead I switched the exercise. I don't have an injury though, so there is no pain or anything anymore. It's just while I was performing the exercise, it kind of felt like things weren't like right. Let's just put it that way, all right? So this is more like a preventive measure that I've taken, and I think it's really important when you're, doing whatever exercise you're doing. Do not be attached to a particular exercise, especially if you feel like you're, feeling uncomfortable, or like, there's an issue with it or so on. All right. So switching exercise is important. Like even when you're, for example, like let's say you are doing this 6-week out challenge with me, you don't have to do exactly the same stuff that I'm doing, all right? Like if there's an exercise that you don't like, just switch it up, all right? Or there's an exercise that when you perform it, you feel uncomfortable, switch it up. There's no problem, all right? So please keep that in mind. My weight has been the lowest yet again, 81 kilos. It's pretty good. Well, as I predicted, my weight is gonna come down a little bit further. I'm expecting to end up somewhere around like between 80 to 81 kilos in terms of pounds. That is going to be 176 to 180, 178-ish, like something like that, I think. So in terms of pounds, that is what's going to be like. And well, as I said, like earlier in the morning, like I already feel like I'm lean enough, like I'm basically where I want to be. But of course, I've committed to the challenge, so I'm definitely going to be finishing it. Today it's raining. Hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. If it rains tomorrow, most likely I'm not going to be able to take you guys anywhere, but we'll see. All right. So like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the 5th active rest day.